What if the reason you feel tired, slower, not as sharp, isn't your age? It is because your cells are breaking down faster than they should. See, nobody tells you this. But after about 25, your body starts losing its ability to repair itself. Your energy drops, your focus slips, your recovery slows down. And most people, they try to fix it with caffeine, workouts, diets, but they're attacking the symptoms, not the source. What if instead, you upgraded the thing that controls everything? Your cells. Because when your cells are functioning at a high level, your energy comes back, your brain sharpens, your body starts acting younger. That's exactly why I started looking into something called Cellular360. It's not just another supplement. It's designed to support cellular repair, mitochondrial energy, telomere health, and even your body's natural regeneration systems. Basically, the stuff that actually determines how you age. Here's what caught my attention. Most products target one pathway. This targets multiple at the same time. Kind of like fixing the engine, instead of just polishing the car. If you're even a little curious, go check it out yourself. See what it actually does. Decide if it makes sense for you. Save Club offers you an exclusive price you can't find anywhere else. So, order some today.